guys, and welcome to another episode of iLiveWild. So today, all about hiking, all about the Gregory backpack. I want to get into some details with you guys over the next couple of weeks. I'll do some episodes of how I pack, what's changed in my backpack over the last couple of months, what I found works, what I found doesn't work for me, and why I bought new stuff in certain areas and why I'm not going to buy new things in other areas. So currently the plans are to go to the northern Drakensberg. I've got the Slingsby maps here. This is quite a nice little map to have. It's nice and it's got like a plastic feel to it, so it's waterproof. So I'll show you guys a bit closer up on the map shortly, but we are doing the Tugella Falls hike up the chain ladders in the northern berg. So yeah guys, that's the plan. So I'll get into all of that, but first, one of my good mates has been so kind to supply me with a nice bottle of Speyside single malt. So I'm cracking this open today here guys on the video, back to drinking a good whiskey while having a chat about some decent hikes. So yeah, let's get this bad boy cracked open. I've got ice in the glass already. So yeah, Ian, thanks a lot. I'm going to enjoy this, and I'm hoping to share a nip with you on the mountain one of these days, within this year still, definitely. So yeah guys, Tamna Vullen, very nice whiskey, thanks a lot. I'm definitely going to enjoy this. So yeah, got myself a little dram there. Anything with a cork is worth buying, noted. So yeah guys, hope you enjoy. Let's get into it. Cheers. Oh, too good. Adventurous. Just want to get out there. So our route will be from, on the Friday, we're doing a weekend mission. So the Friday night we're sleeping in Harrismith. From there, from the Airbnb, we're driving to Vistas Mountain Lodge on the Saturday morning at 3 o'clock. And then spend the whole day on the mountain, hike all the way to the top of Tugella Falls, sleep over on top there, and on the Sunday we'll be traveling back. So I will show you the route on the map shortly. I will show you how I pack, what I pack, why I pack it, and where everything goes in this backpack. This is the Gregory Baltoro 75, second generation, the new one. Love this backpack. Best thing I've ever had hiking wise, other than my Solomon shoes that I've invested in. Really enjoy it. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoy this, and I hope it helps a lot of you guys out there. I know there's a lot of questions going around, and hopefully this will answer quite a bit of them. So yeah guys. Right guys, so as I said, here's the map of the northern Drakensberg section. So on here, there's the road coming from Witshoek all the way up. There's the Witshoek. Okay, Witshoek Lodge is here. If you follow that 4x4 route going up there, up the mountain to the parking lot, Witshoek parking lot. And from there, what we'll be doing is just doing the normal trail up the switchbacks, those big ones, to the lookout point. Have a breakfast there in the morning, and then take it easy from there, cross over. So far my feeling is that we have to do the gully. We'll see how the other guys feel about it, but yeah, going up the gully to me is a better route to take. You've got a better view from the top of the gully than from top of the chain ladders, and that hike from, because if you carry on there, the hike from the top of chain ladders all the way to the waterfalls that is here, it doesn't look very far. It's not a very big hike for those of you that don't know. It's about 6.5-7 kilometers in total one way to the waterfall. So yeah, I like to do the gully up because your view from the top of the gully towards the waterfall is just next level. So yeah, let me see if I can zoom in a bit here guys, give you guys a closer look. So yeah, as I said, start here at the car park, and then we are just gonna follow the trailhead up the zigzags I don't know if this is viewable on the camera or not. Up the zigzags, have a lunch, or not a lunch, a breakfast at the viewpoint, carry on around the mountain, up the gully, and then down towards Tugella Falls, where we will be camping for the night in May. So yeah, we are preparing for a cold evening, although it's only one night out on the berg. We have to prepare for the worst. So that is our trail. We'll see how that goes. Might just end up going past a waterfall, sleeping somewhere past it, looking back towards it, but we'll take it as it comes and see what we can find. As I said, guys, right guys, as I mentioned before, this is the Gregory Baltoro 75. This is my go-to pack. You guys can see Baltoro 75. So quick rundown. The pack has got a top lid, which is quite nice. There's two pockets on top here, a very small one right on top, then a larger one right below that, and on the inside below it there's a cover for the rain cover that comes with this backpack. In the front here I've got my gloves at the moment. You've got some nice hip belt storage, water bottle holder on the one side, and on the other side you've got a mesh pocket. So, and then two long zippers down the front, one on this side and one on that side, where you can store gear. I usually put my food and all daily essentials in there. So yeah guys, that is the Baltoro, the back strap. Right guys, so let's get into the bag. On the outside I've got my two trekking poles. These are the First Ascent Inca poles, not the best, but they do the job. You just put them off to the side there, loosen all the buckles and clips and clamps, all the compression straps all over the bag's tight at the moment. So let me just get all of them loose. So right on top here at the moment I've just got my gloves in here, First Ascent thermal insulated thinsulate gloves. So they go in this front dry pocket, just as an easy to reach place at the moment. Then going down into the sleeping bag compartment, I've got all my sleeping gear in this little pouch. So this is a pack sack, what they call. This is not a dry bag, although I do think this might just be quite dry. I think this is quite waterproof as it is. It's a Deuter pack sack. This is the 18-liter version, so that goes in the bottom. Let me just put that at the back there. Then opening up the front of my backpack. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm just going to show you an overview. Then I'll do separate videos of what is inside each of my packing essentials, if that makes sense. So right on top here I've got a quick pack. It's a Trespass waterproof jacket, 5,000 millimeters waterproof. This comes from the UK. Very, very nice rain jacket, very lightweight, compact, stuffed into this little sack. It's out of the way. We'll get to that later as well. Then a whole lot of things happening inside here. What I've decided to do is to pack my bag modular. So right down the middle is my tent. Then I've got these pack sacks used all over, and then a dry bag in here. So I'm going to get another one of these, but I'll get to that in a little bit. So starting with the red one down at the bottom here, or orange. This is a 5-liter pack sack, also still Deuter. I'll put these little carabiner clips on the top just to keep, it's got two little loops there just to keep it all together. So this one is my food and first aid kit, goes in here. Not food, my stove, gas, all of that, my pots, my pot system, the whole cooking utility set goes into this one. So let's put that at the back there. Then on top here, there's a little small one. Again, Deuter's pack sack, 3 liters. I got these on special, that's why I bought them. They were on specials on a sellout at one of the shops locally. So inside this little small one, this is all underwear and socks that I'll keep into this one. And then let me just get a place to put that. Then right down the middle of my backpack, I've got my tent. This is the Vango Helvellyn 200. It's a 2-man tent, 3000mm waterproof fly sheet, and I believe a 5000mm waterproof floor. Fast pack stuffing sack, very easy, very quick to pack and pitch this tent. Very, very nice, and this thing held up on our last trip on the mountain with heavy winds. So that's in there. Then down the side here, I bought this JR Gear compression dry sack. What's very nice about this, it's got this little valve. You can open that up, compress all the air out of it, and then close the valve, and this is like a vacuum sealed, very tightly packed bag, and it's dry as well, so it can rain. You can throw this thing in the water, your clothing will still be good. Talking about that, this is my clothing bag. So in this 5-liter version, I've got 3 shorts, 3 shirts, ready to go for a hike. This is for our, like I said, for our trip up the Drakensberg to chain ladders for 1 night. So I have packed extra just in case, and in case we might take a dip on top there if there's enough water. And then at the back of my backpack, I've got this Gregory day pack from my old Baltoro. So this is what I use for my bladder. The 3-liter Gregory bladder goes into this little pocket inside behind all my gear, right against my back. And that's essentially the inside of my backpack, guys. And then on top here, as I said before, there's a little zipper underneath this top. So there's my raincoat for the backpack itself, and I usually put my map inside there as well. Then I know it's easy to reach, it's nice to get to, it's quick, it's simple. Yeah, and then I've got a little Life Straw water filter. This is the Peak series, the new design. You can drink straight from a stream with this. You can connect your bladder's hose on here. You can screw out this little connection here, screw on a bottle there, and you've got a filter for water. So last time we were on top of the mountain, usually I don't take a water filter to Drakensberg, but the last time we had a bit of dirty contaminated water due to veld fires around the area. So that's my newest addition to my kit, or one of the newest additions, with all these little pack sacks. And then, as I said, guys, these 2 zippers down the front here, so they're very long. It's not a massive pocket, but in there I usually put my food. So I love the Forever Fresh freeze-dried food. This is the beef lasagna. Best food you can eat. I don't even think my mom's beef lasagna is this good. So very, very happy with this product. Thanks Forever Fresh. Keep going. This is very awesome. So this goes in there, and then I've got another one here. It's the creamy Parmesan chicken, also very, very good. So I generally pack all my food items in the front here. So that's the one, and they can still fit like 2 or 3 in there at least. And then on the other side as well. So this side I usually keep my toiletries, toothbrush, towel, dry socks, extras, just in case. And then yeah, toilet paper goes here. It's dry, it's out of the way, it's easy to reach. Things on the trail. On the top, the bigger zip on top here, this is where I keep trail snacks, my headlamp, things that I'll need on the trail, quick access, easy access. If it gets dark and we're still out, you've got your flashlight here. My phone stays on top here, batteries, the whole 9 yards, a power bank for my watch. And yeah guys, that's about it. So I hope you enjoyed. Until the next video, I will be getting into all the essential pack sacks, what's going on inside of them, why I decided to do that, and let's see what we get to, guys. I hope this helps for now. I'll do separate gear videos as we get along in the next couple of weeks, showing you guys our prep for the Drakensberg and why we are taking what we are taking and doing what I am doing. So yeah, have fun guys, and as always, thanks again. Cheers Ian, until the next one.